The Nordson XS Series AXI is a cutting-edge automated inspection system designed especially for the semiconductor backend market. With its impressive high resolution and high-speed capabilities, it excels at identifying issues like damaged wires, irregular flip chip bumps, voids in micro BGAs, and a wide range of defects in package-on-package components. Thanks to its compact design and certified clean room capabilities, the XS series saves valuable floor space and leaves more space for production. This inspection system can be used in both inline as well as standalone setups. Latter is especially important in wire bond and flip chip manufacturing, where material handling is often done with overhead loaders and AGVs. Magazines can of course be loaded by hand if needed, whilst the integrated magazine and strip ID handling ensures full traceability always. Nordson's team of in-house engineers continuously develop, build and pair all key components to ensure each system fulfills the exact requirements our customers and their rapidly changing designs present to us. MIPS is our in-house developed, purpose-built software that's designed with extreme versatility in mind. It enables true automatic inspection in 24/7, 365 environments, communicates with any SECS/GEM host, performs on-the-fly product changeovers, and even host-side recipe control is possible. Inspection itself is done with sophisticated AI-backed image processing techniques and a large array of algorithms for wire bond, flip chip, and many other interconnect types. This is done in 2, 2.5 and now volumetric 3D. Each wire bond, for example, is analyzed with over 100 measurements, resulting in thousands of data points provided to the factory host, allowing for comprehensive monitoring of the entire upstream production process. This ultimately enables early process intervention and eliminates the risk of defects escaping to the end user, saving millions of dollars in return. This is the fastest high-resolution automated X-ray system in the market. We are proud to call this true autonomous inspection.